Right here I have 164 piece flange bolts with the washers, and you're also going to get the nuts as well. 10.9 grade alloy steel. This is going to be galvanized steel, and it's a black galvanized. Looks really nice and has a really nice container. As we open this up, you can just see all of these bolts are just super high quality. This is going to be an M8. You can see how nice and high quality this is. I'm going to take a few of these out. On the top, we're going to have an M8, so it's going to be really nice, common metric size, and you can just see you have like longer ones, and you also have ones that are just a little bit shorter. These are honestly perfect for just having in your garage. I use stuff like this on like car projects, motorcycles, anything that you're doing any kind of custom work on, or assembling furniture even. Like, these are just perfect to have around the house and the garage just because they're just so practical. Now you're gonna get two types of washers here. This is like a crush washer ring, and then you're also going to get another washer here, so you can use both or just one. So sometimes applications, you know, I'll use it like this. And I also like how this has a really nice directional pattern on here, and it just gives it a little bit more texture. You can see that it's like raised up a little bit. Goes on really smooth. These bolts are nice because they can resist high heat, and they also just prevent from backing out and loosening on their own. Very smooth all the way down. They lock really nice. I do like how the crush washer is, but they feel very durable and they're really strong. Definitely recommend this if you're looking to have some extra bolts in your garage, if you're working on a project or anything like custom work. These are definitely something that I highly recommend. This will make a great gift for Father's Day or your husband, just to have something in the garage. But this set has just about everything, all sorts of different sizes, all the crush washers, regular washers, and nuts, all there at your disposal. And on the front, it actually just labels everything. But you get 164, really practical, and something that's going to last you a long time. Add it to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.